Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Janie at the African Bee Company, where we talk all things honey, bees, and Africa. So today we're going to talk about medicine, right? Natural medicine. So we took some acacia honey, right, from the African bee, of course, and we added garlic, cinnamon, cayenne pepper. I'm sorry, it's just garlic, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper, right? And these ingredients will help you with digestion issues. It helps with metabolism. It helps with blood sugar, and it speaks to heart health as well. So again, this is medicine. I'm not going to put it in tea. What I'm going to do is take a spoonful each day, right? And watch it work, right? Or feel it work, rather. So listen, the reason we use acacia honey versus forest honey for this particular recipe is because acacia honey has a mild flavor, and it's very aromatic. It's just a beautiful honey, and it doesn't you can mix things well. It doesn't overpower what you put into it, right? And also the garlic doesn't overpower the acacia. So it's kind of, I hope you guys get what I'm saying, but remember, this is medicine. So the acacia honey helps it taste a lot better than if you just took some cayenne and some water, or if you just chewed some garlic, right? Or you just took some cinnamon powder in your coffee or tea. All those are good things to do, but the thing is, you boost the nutrition when you add honey, right? And acacia honey is a great booster to that nutrition that you're attempting to have in your body, right? To do for your body. So again, it's medicine, y'all. This is medicine. And so do this, have a teaspoonful once a day to start out. See if you feel any better, right, over a bit of time, and then up it. Maybe I'll do it 3 times a day to let you guys know how it's working for me. All right. So thank you and love you guys with the love of the Most High Yah. If you like our content, please hit that subscribe button. Later.